Hello and welcome to this new video on how to block an Facebook account. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your Facebook interface, and when you're inside the Facebook interface, you just need to search for the person that you want to block. You can just scroll down a little bit. If that person is active, then you will be able to see, but if you aren't able to see, then you just have to look on the top left hand side of the screen. There will be a search bar. You just have to click on the search bar and type the name of the person that you want to block. And when you have found that person, you just have to click on that name of the person and their profile will be opened right in front of you. And you just have to scroll down a little bit until you are able to see the three dot icon on the right hand side of the screen. So when you have seen that three dot icon, you just have to click on that and a pop-up box will appear, and inside the pop-up box on the last option it will say block. So you just have to click on that block, and after that another confirmation notification box will be opened. Now you just have to click on that confirm button and you will be able to block that person. So this is how to block Facebook account. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.